Hello students, welcome to one more session of our topic charts in MS Excel. In our previous session, we have studied about the topics as what are charts, how we can use the charts in MS Excel. We have also studied about the types of charts in MS Excel like bar chart, column chart, pie chart and line chart. Now today we are going to study about few of the more chart types like the area chart, scatter chart, donut chart and 3D surface chart. Now first of all let's start with the area chart. Now you can see from the figure student, this is an image of the area chart. Area chart is something similar to the line chart only, but in area chart the data points which are available in column and the bar charts are not displayed here, and the data area is filled with the colors. Like you can see over here, this is a chart of the wildlife population. Whatever area has been covered by the animals like bears, dolphins and whales has been specified with the different colors. So it will be easier for us to analyze the data in case of area charts. Now let's next see scatter chart. Scatter chart displays the pairs of values in a scattered format. That means in scatter chart, it plots each data point with a marker. As you can see from the image students, like this is an area, this is a scatter chart of the marks obtained by the students out of 100. See, they have plotted the points with the marker regarding that number of students and the marks obtained by the students in different subjects out of 100. So this way scatter chart can be made. Then we come on to the donut chart. Donut chart is something similar to the pie chart also, which we have studied in our earlier session. But in donut chart, it shows the relationship of parts to a whole. Like in pie chart, it only shows one data series, but in donut chart, it simply shows the one or more data series of the particular data. Like in this figure, we have the different proportions of the ice cream flavors. Like we have the strawberry, how much percentage is the strawberry flavor, then we have the vanilla and then we have the chocolate percentage also in case of donut chart. The last one is the 3D surface chart. In 3D surface chart, the data is displayed properly in a 3D format, or you can say in the three-dimensional view of data can be easily viewed in case of 3D surface chart. Now next we are going to see all these things, how we can create the charts, how we can change the chart type, how we can format the chart through our practicals. Now let's see this Excel sheet students. This Excel sheet is having the names of the subjects and the name of the students and whatever marks they have got in different subjects like English, Maths and Science. Now we are going to create the different charts from this particular data. To create the chart, first of all we need to select the data. This way we have selected the data. Then you have to go to the insert menu. From the insert menu, go to the charts group. In the chart groups, you have to choose the chart which you want to create. Like I have created, first of all I need to create the area chart. So I'll be clicking on the area. Like there are two type of charts given. This I have selected and then I'll be clicking on OK. Then my area chart will get displayed. By dragging the borders also I can resize my chart like this. This is my area chart and here at the top the chart title is coming. You can change the title of the chart like this. For example, the chart title can be marks list. Now below I can see the legend. You can also format the legend. Like if you want to, you can double click on the chart area. You can right click on the chart area. You can add the data labels. Data labels means the marks also will be displayed over here. Just see, the marks are coming on my chart, on my area chart. And if you double click, you can even change the color of your chart also from here. Any color or any pattern you can change. You can double click on the chart and if you want, you can do any of the formatting for your chart. So this is our area chart. Now let's see how we can insert the next chart is our scatter chart. Now again going to click on the insert menu, click on the chart type, and then I am going to insert the scatter chart. Now the scatter chart for this particular data looks like this. As I told you, the dotted points are there using the marker, and it is all the dots are specifying the data over here. Like the Anand is having the English marks as 67. So the first data is showing the 67 marks. The blue is being specified by English, yellow color for maths, and light gray color is for science. So this is here also you can change the chart title if you want to color your chart. From double clicking, you can color the chart also. You can change the legend of your chart also. Even right clicking on the chart, you can change the chart. If I want to change the chart type, that you can even change the chart type also from here to here. So this way, this is my, you can even format the chart by clicking on the formatting chart option. This way, this is my scatter chart. Now next we see how we can insert the download chart. Now to insert the download chart, again the same process, insert, and then here the download chart option is there. This is my download chart. I can drag the margins to increase or decrease the size of my chart area. Again the same thing, you can increase, you can change the chart title if you want. Right click over here, right click on the data, and you can even add the data labels. Data labels means the numbers or the data if you want to display on your chart, that you can display, that you can see on your chart. If you want to give the colors, you can see, format the chart from here. You can give different colors, you can give the different formatting options for your chart. So this is my download chart. The last I am going to see the 3D surface chart. Again insert, and then all charts, and then surface. This is my 3D surface chart. You can see from here, dragging the borders to see my chart. I can even increase or decrease. This is my 3D surface chart. The data is here, Anand, Anita, all the names have been displayed over here. At the bottom I am having the legend portion. Change the title. If you want to color the chart, again I can give this type of color to my chart. This type of also color I can give, any color I can give to my chart. That is known as formatting the charts. So this way we can have the different formatting options. We can change the chart title also, and if you want to print this chart, we can have the print option also through the, if you have the printer, then you can have the printer, you can print your chart also. So this is all about the charts and the chart types, and how we can create the charts and we can format the charts. So this much is for today's students. Thank you. Have a good day.